Hello everyone, welcome to our Isip YouTube channel where you can find free Tagalog mathematics tutorial. Okay, in our lesson for today, we are going to talk about factoring difference of two squares. This is actually the second part of our topic on factoring polynomials. So kung hindi nyo pa po napapanood yung part 1, which is factoring common monomial factor, pwede nyo munang panoorin using our playlist. Tingnan nyo po para alam nyo yung pagkakasunod-sunod, or you can check our previous upload. And for our fellow teachers, if you are interested with our PowerPoint presentations, you can check the link or you can message us on Facebook. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe, please click the subscribe button para po updated tayo sa mga susunod pang mga lessons. Okay, so without further ado, let's now begin with our lesson. Okay, so this will be our learning competency. We will completely factor different types of polynomials, but in our video today, we will be focusing on difference of two squares muna, okay? And then after that, we will solve problems involving factors of polynomials. Actually, we will start with a real world problem. So we have here the real life problem. We have here a school wants to fence a rectangular open area for outdoor games. The total area available is x squared minus 49 square meters. To plan the fencing, the engineer needs to determine the possible length and width of the area, if it really forms a rectangle with equal dimensions on opposite sides. So, meron na po tayong area which is x squared minus 49. Given na po siya. Ang hinahanap lang natin dito is what is the length and width of this rectangular open area. So, paano natin yon gagawin? Can we find the possible dimensions by factoring the expressions for the area? Yun po ang masasagot using this technique. Okay, factoring difference of two squares. Alright, so let's start. Let's have the example. Ang pattern po na gagamitin natin, ito po. We have here a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b times a plus b. Okay, and if you are thinking that this is familiar, yes, this is actually the product of sum and difference of two terms. Ito po yung pinag-aralan ninyo in the special product. In our previous lesson before, ito po yung isang special product natin. So which is called the product of sum and difference of two terms. Ito po yung reverse process ng ating special product. Okay, so let's practice using the first example. We have here the area kanina doon sa open area, rectangle open area, which is x squared minus 49. So how are we going to factor this? First, kailangan muna nating i-verify kung talagang ito ba ay matatawag na difference of two squares. So how do we identify? First, let's look at it if it has two terms. Okay, it has two terms, binomial naman siya. Number 2, both perfect squares. Lahat ba nung terms natin, yung dalawang term ba natin ay perfect square? Yes, we have here x squared, this is a perfect square. And we have here 49, this is also a perfect square. Ibig sabihin ng perfect square, kung nakalipuntan po natin, ang perfect square, ibig sabihin meron po tayong square root. Okay? Next, number 3. Are they being subtracted? Yes, this is being subtracted because we have here minus as our operation. Now, if this meets our criteria, kung na-meet niya po ang ating criteria for being difference of two squares, automatically, susundan lang po natin yung pattern. Okay, i-reverse lang po natin siya. So, ang gagawin natin, kunin natin yung factors. What is the square root of x squared? We have x. What is the square root of 49? We have 7. And then, doblehin lang po natin siya. Ang magkakaiba lang dyan is yung operation natin. One is subtraction, one is addition. So again, we have here x minus 7 times x plus 7. Okay, so eto na po yung hinahanap nating dimensions ng rectangular open area kanina sa ating real life problem. Okay, let's have more example. We have here example number 2, x squared minus 25. So first, tignan natin, is this what we call a difference of two squares? Perfect square po ba si x squared? Yes. Perfect square ba si 25? May square root ba siya? Yes, which is 5. Tama. So factor natin is x minus 5 and x plus 5. Ganun lang po siya, no? Hanapin lang natin yung square root ni x squared, which is x. Ano po ang square root ni 25? 5 po siya. Okay, 5 times 5 is 25. Ang ating operations is it's just minus and then plus. Okay? Next, example number 2. Okay, we have here 4y squared minus 81. Ano pong pinagkaiba nito sa example number 2? Meron na po tayong numerical coefficient. So, first, tingnan natin kung difference of two squares siya. So, is this a perfect square? 4y squared? Yes. Is 81 also a perfect square? Yes. 9 times 9 is 81. Okay, so ano yung mga factors natin? Ano po ba ang square root ng 4? It's 2. And then square root ng y squared is y. So we have here 2y. Square root ni 81 is 9. Okay, so one factor is subtraction, 2y minus 9. And another factor is addition, 2y plus 9. Ito na po yung ating factors. Okay, for you to practice, I have here exercise. So you can answer this on your own para po mas ma-master nyo yung ating lesson for today. And then after answering, you can come back. Bigyan ko kayo ng time. You can come back after that. And then you compare your answer. Papakita po natin yung correct answer dito. Okay, so God bless po sa inyong pagsagot. Okay, I hope natapos nyo na pong masagutan. I will now show you the correct answer for each number. Paki-check na lang po ang inyong sagot. Okay, so for number 1, we have here x squared minus 36. Our factors are x minus 6 and x plus 6. Okay, if you are going to multiply this using the FOIL method, you can get also x squared minus 36. Next one, we have here a minus 8 times a plus 8. Yun po ang sagot natin sa number 2. And for number 3, we have 4m minus 7 times 4m plus 7. And lastly, for number 4, it is 5x minus 1 times 5x plus 1. Okay, so I hope nakuha nyo po ng tama yung mga sagot natin. Okay, so thank you for trying. Thank you for answering our exercises. And I hope mayroon po ko ulit kayong natutunan sa ating video lesson for today. And for our next lesson, we will now have part 3 of our topic, Factoring Polynomials. Ang title po niya is Factoring Quadratic Trinomial. Okay, so thank you for listening and I hope to see you again on the next video. Bye-bye and God bless. Kung meron kang natutunan sa video na ito, please click the subscribe button to support this channel para mas matulungan ulit kita sa mga susunod mo pang math lessons. Lagi mong tatandaan, ang math ay para sa lahat. At ako si Teacher Van, nagsasabing dito sa Math Isip, lamang ang nag-iisip. God bless and see you on the next video. Bye-bye.